And welcome back again to the Go course. This time we are going to look at the installation of Go. So you just go ahead and visit the slides, or you just continue with the slides if you were following it. And here we have links to the homepage of Golang. So I click on here, and we are going to reach the golang.org, and that's where you can download Go. So here you have big button to download Go. And let me just check this. This basically leads to the same place, so there's not much surprise. I guess I put it on the slide in case it disappears sort of from here, or I don't know what. So you click on the big bluish button, and then you can have the downloads. You pick up your operating system, download it, unzip it on Linux. In Windows, this is just a double click or clicking on it as usual. It's an MSI package, so it's not very surprising, just a standard installation. Apple, it's a PKG package, so everything is just as usual, I guess. Then on the command line, so that's basically already the next slide. So on the command line, the next thing what you can do is check whether Go is correctly installed and the system can find it. So on Linux or on Mac, you would open your just regular terminal and you'll use that. On Windows, you would probably open a command window and type in on the command line these things. We're going to soon see an IDE that you can use, of course, for Golang, but I definitely recommend even on Windows that you get yourself familiar with the command line. I have a set of separate videos about the command line and Windows, and regardless basically of Go, I really recommend that if you're using Windows and if you're not that familiar yet with the command line and that area, that you watch those videos, and making yourself familiar would be extremely useful, I think, for your career in general as a programmer on Windows. So in any case, we get to the terminal, and on the terminal we can write Go and type in version, and that will show us the version number of Go that's currently installed on my machine. If I type in which Go, it will tell me it's located in /opt/go/bin. That's where I unzipped it. So on Linux, as I mentioned here, you just download the zip file and then you unzip it. That's what happens, and I'm running Windows. So for me, that's what need to be done. And yeah, so that's just on the slide. The next thing we're going to see is the editor for Golang, and we'll discuss it in the next video. For now, make sure that you install Go, and then you type, then you can verify that it's installed, and you have the version, probably a newer version of Go running on your system. If you have any issues, any problems, feel free to contact me, ask me for help, and I'll try to help the best I can do. So see you for now.